everybody, welcome back to Vanessa's daily live stream. How are you guys doing today? I did a haul video on some items that I purchased from Goodwill, from the Goodwill Dollar Day here in Nevada. If you guys do not know, Nevada has a Goodwill Dollar Day where on Mondays, everything in the store from a specific tag color is $1. Today's color, I think I already took the tags off of some of them, but today's color was green. So everything in the store with a green tag is $1. So it's like Goodwill is having their own clearance center within their store. They don't have to pay for space in another location. They just clearance their items every week and give and pass the savings on to their regular customers, which is very ingenious. I think every store should actually do that. Every thrift store and every Goodwill especially should do that in every city, in every state. We need to be contacting Goodwill corporate offices all around the country and let them know that they need to implement the Goodwill Dollar Day at all the Goodwills, so that way they don't have to rent space and have a separate clearance center, and they can pass the savings on locally to all the customers that support Goodwill in that area. I think that's a very ingenious idea. Let me know in the comments bar below if you think it's a good idea and if you would love if Goodwill would implement that in your city and your state. So I did a haul earlier, but I didn't have the items in here that I purchased for Ms Charlene and her sister. This is a very satiny nightgown, robe, cover up, whatever you want to call it. You can call it a muumuu. And this is for Ms Charlene's sister. I think it's like a girl. I don't know if this is black, blue, or whatever, purple. I can't tell. But y'all let me know if y'all can tell what color this is. But this is for one of Ms Charlene's sister. And yeah, so I got that for her. It's a robe. And I also got this nice jacket, you guys. It's kind of like a blue jean with black. And I thought this would be cute for her. And I gave her a jacket not too long ago, and I've been seeing her wearing it. And I told Ms Charlene, I said, oh, I see your sister been wearing her jacket. And she was like, yeah, she needed some jackets. So I seen this little like throw jacket when it's not too cold, but you know, it's a little chilly, that she might like this. So I got this jacket for her, and it has some zips on the front, on both sides, up at the top. Pocket, pocket, pocket. Ooh, that's a deep pocket, girl. That's a deep pocket, child. Deep pocket. Deep pocket. And yeah, it got pockets there, and it had pockets here. So that is so cute. And I got that from Ms Charlene's sister. And Ms Charlene and her other sister, Ms Pauline, like to wear leggings under their pants to keep them warm in the wintertime. So they had a whole, like about 20 pairs of these, which lets you know that they are new, but they only had them in size small. So I got 2 pairs for Ms Charlene. If she can't fit them, she's going to pass them on to her sister. So I got 2 pairs of those. And I wish they would have had these in my size, or I wish I was smaller. But y'all, these are brand new. Still have the tag on them, pleather. And they're by Zara, Tarafalluc. And they are leggings collection. And as you can see, they have the tag on them. It's green, and they were $1. I was surprised I found these, y'all. Brand new. Have a zipper on the side. Tag right here. And they're a size medium. And they are pleather, and they have the red on the side. Y'all know the red is Ms Charlene's favorite color. So they are red and black. So you know Ms Charlene, that's right up her alley. So that is so cute. And yeah, I got that for Ms Charlene because, girl, I ain't gonna be able to fit them. So she got her some brand new leggings. And yeah, the rest of these were brand new too. And they had like 15, 20 pairs of these, but we just got 2. And the jacket for her sister, which is lovely. I like this jacket. This is so cute, y'all. And then the robe for her sister. And I got a lot of stuff down here that I got for myself. And if you guys want to see that, make sure you, well, it should have been in the video before this one. So let me know if you've seen the previous haul of things that I got for myself. And if you like this video and you like to see the Goodwill haul videos, even when I don't purchase that much stuff, because sometimes I go and I just get 2 or 3 items. Well, that never really happened. I never really just went and got 2 or 3 items. I think I might have spent $10 at the most before, at the least, which is like 10 items. But yeah, so if you guys like these type of videos, if you want to see me try on the stuff that I purchased for myself and you want me to do a try on haul, let me know in the comments bar below. I have another video coming soon with a DIY on shoe storage. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that, because I took like 3 pairs of shoes where I put 3 pairs of shoes at, and I made storage where I can put 20 to 25 pairs of shoes. So if you're looking for hacks, you guys, let me know in the comments bar below. And again, if you want me to do a try on haul, let me know. And I have probably over like 15 pairs of shoes that I've purchased at Goodwill that I've been showing you in different videos, but I got them for $1. If you want me to do a Goodwill dollar shoe haul where I try on all the shoes and show you guys all the shoes that I got for $1 in the video, let me know in the comments bar below if you want me to do a shoe haul, a $1 shoe haul, $1 shoe try on haul. If you just want me to do a haul or you want me to try them on too, let me know. Talk to me in the comments. Lots and lots and lots of comments, please. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this short but sweet video. I'm coming with a lot of short, sweet videos, and I'm coming with multiple of those videos throughout the day. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then hit all so you will not miss out on any of those videos. And if you are not getting any notifications on the channel, girl, just come to the channel and look, because I'm posting like 4 or 5 videos a day. And if you've missed any of the videos, just go back and check out the videos. If you missed any yesterday, go back and binge watch and check out those videos, you guys. It will help me out a lot. And I appreciate you guys. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Thanks for watching, Nutty Buddy Nation. Bye now.